Hey everyone, welcome back to Tip Talk. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link multiple pages together inside your Canva designs, perfect for making interactive presentations, clickable PDFs, or even digital planners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add simple navigation buttons that let anyone easily hop between pages with just one click. It's super handy, and once you learn it, you'll start seeing so many creative ways to use this in your own projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Canva. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the top right and click on the Create a Design button. You'll see lots of options pop up, but for this tutorial, we're going to create a presentation in landscape mode. Just select Presentation 16:9 to get the classic wide slide format that's perfect for linking pages like chapters in a book. Now, before we can link anything, we'll need something to actually click on, right? To do that, we'll set up navigation buttons. A really simple and effective way is to use text boxes with page numbers. Think of these like digital tabs or buttons at the bottom of a PDF. So on your first slide, click on the text tool from the sidebar, then simply type the number 1. Adjust the size and style however you like. It could be bold, colorful, or even inside a little circle if that matches your design. Then duplicate that text 3 more times and update each to 2, 3, and 4 for a total of 4 page buttons. If you want super smooth navigation, arranging these numbers in a neat row at the bottom of your page works great and keeps things easy to find, just like you'd see on a website's pagination. With the page numbers in place, now comes the magic, adding the links. Click on the first page number to select it, then look near the top of Canva for the tiny chain link icon, which is the link tool. When you click this, a little search box appears. Here's the cool part: because you're working within a Canva presentation, you can start typing something like page 1 or just scroll and choose exactly which page you want that button to jump to. Go ahead and link each number to the appropriate page, so 1 links to the first page, 2 to the second, and so on. Take your time here. It only takes a moment for each link, but double check as you go. This step's important because these buttons are what make your document interactive and clear to use. After linking each page number, I recommend clicking Present or exporting your design as a PDF, then actually testing the links to make sure everything works. It's always satisfying to see your navigation buttons jump smoothly to the next page, almost like flipping tabs in a notebook. And honestly, don't worry if you need to adjust any links or move buttons around. Canva makes it very easy to edit things until it feels just right. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created your own interactive navigation inside Canva. Whether you're making an engaging presentation, a workbook, or a clickable report, adding these links makes everything look polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or need more tips on Canva, just drop a comment below and I'll be glad to help. And if you want more bite-sized tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe for Tip Talk every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.